Assalamu alaikum students. I'm going to start Oxford Countdown Level 4. Unit number 1, Numbers and Arithmetic Operations. In this chapter, topic number 1 is numbers up to 100 million. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you what is digit, then what is place, and then what is period. So let's start. Now you can see this, it is a beautiful place value chart. Yes, it is, which starts from unit to 100 million. So yes, what is digit? A symbol used to write a number is called a digit. We are using 10 digits. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. They are 10 digits. Notice that students, number 10 is not included in it because number 10 is made up of two digits, 1 and 0, and it is not a digit, it is a number. The value of each digit depends on its place in the number. It means that as the number of digits increases, the value of number also increases. You can see that I am using different digits to write this number. You can also use different digits to make big or small numbers. Yes, next is place. Where a digit lives in a number is called a place. The digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. Okay, where is 7? Yes, it is 7. So 7 is in 10,000s place. Okay, and digit 6 is in the 100 millions place. Okay, so it means that the place of 9 is 10 million and the place of 2 is 1000 and the place of 0 is 10. Okay, it means that these are all places. These are all places. So the place of 2 is 1000. So the place of 3 is unit. Place of 1 is million. Again, place of 7 is 10,000. So it means that unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million are all places. Okay, so what is period? The group of three places. Students, you can clearly see that we have three groups. One is yellow group, second is purple group, and third is blue group. Yellow group name is ones, purple group name is thousands, blue group name is millions, and each of the group has three places. So one group has 3 places. Unit, 10, 100. Again, unit, 10, 100. With me beta, unit, 10, 100. So 1000 group has also 3 places. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Again, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. With me, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And last, million group also has 3 places. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Again, million, 10 million, 100 million. With me, million, 10 million, 100 million. Each period is separated by a comma or by space. It means that, for example, this is the way to write a number. I am using same number. 691, comma, space 572, comma, space 403. This is the way to write a number. That in this way, you can clearly see that 403 is in which group? Ones group or ones period. 572 in which period or group? thousands. And 691 in which group or period? Millions. So it means that comma and space tells us that it is a million group, it is a thousand group, or it is a ones group. So this is the proper way to write a number, that we are using both comma and space. For example, the digit 691 is in which period? Millions period. 572 is in which period? Thousands period. And 403, ones period. So it means that millions, thousand, ones, or ones, thousand, millions are period. Okay, next is numbers in place value chart. We have two numbers. How many digits in first number? Count with me, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers we have? 7. So it means that I am writing 7 place values like this. Start from units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am writing 7 places. So now it is the time to write a number in a place value chart or a place value table. So yes, anyone tell me how many ones we have? Or how many thousands we have? How many 10,000s we have? Okay, let's do it together. And one thing, beta, place value table or chart, say how much we have in each place in a very clear way. How much value we have in each place means in 100, 1000, 10,000 units, million, okay, in a very clear way. So yes, in this number, how many units we have? 2. So I am writing 2 in units box and 1 digit in 1 box. It is must that 1 digit number in each box of the place value chart. So how many ones we have or unit? 2. So I am writing 2. How many tens we have? 5. So I am writing 5 in tens box. How many hundreds we have? 6. So I am writing 6 in the hundred box. How many thousands we have? 9. So I am writing 9 in thousand box. How many 10,000 we have? 8. So I am writing 8 in 10,000 box. How many 100,000 we have? 4. So I am writing 4 in 100,000 box. And how many million we have? 2. So I am writing 2 in millions box. So this is the way to write the number in place value chart. We have another example and we have how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am writing 9 place values starting from unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So yes, in this number, how many unit we have? Or how many ones we have? 9. So I am writing 9 over here in this box. And how many tens we have? 8. So I am writing 8 in tens box. How many hundreds we have? 7. So I am writing 7 in hundreds box. How many thousands we have? 7. So I am writing 7 over here. How many 10,000s we have? 5. So I am writing 5 over here. How many 100,000s we have? 0. So I am writing 0 over here. And how many million we have? Again 0. So I am writing 0 over here. How many 10 million we have? 3. So I am writing 3 in 10 million box. And last but not the least, 6. 6 is in the 100 million box. So this is the way to write the number in place value chart. This is interesting? Yes, it is very interesting, and it is a way to clearly write that how much value you have in each place in a number like this. Yes, next, number in words. Students, it is difficult to write a big number in words, but it is easy to write a small number in words. Like we have 7-digit number. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-digit number. It is big. Yes, it is big. It is difficult to write in words. No. We have a trick. If I say that write 652, these 3 digits in words, so it is difficult? No. 652, you know that 652 in words is 652. You know that? 652. Similarly, 489, 489, 489. Yes, you know that. 489 and only 2. Okay, now next step is that this comma name is million. This comma name is million. And the second comma name is thousand. Second comma name is thousand. Remember it. This comma and space name is million, and this comma and space name is thousand. So now it means that if I'm writing this number in words, so I start with the left side. 2 and comma name is million. 2 million 489. We know that 489 and comma name is thousand. Yes, 489,000. And last 652. Again 2 comma name is million. 489 comma name is thousand. And last 652. So this is the way to write the number in words. Now quickly with me. 2,489,652. Understand? Be careful about spellings. We have another example. Now it is more big number. How many digits? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-digit number. It is big. It is difficult. No, it is very easy. That 416 in words, 416. 832 in words, 832. 489 in words, 489. We know that, and we also know that the first comma name is from the left side. First comma name is million, and this comma name is thousand. So we know that. Again I'm repeating. First comma name is million and second name is thousand. So number in words is 489, comma name is million. 489 million 832, comma name is thousand. 832,416. So it is easy to write this number, a very very big number, in words easily. So again quickly with me. 489,832,416. Next, number in figures. Okay, number in figures means that in words are given and you have to write it in digits. Okay, so what is the number? Read with me. 630,257,789. Okay, it means that we have 730,257,789. So first of all, I'm going to write the place values. Fine. And then 630 means 630, comma, and space also. 257,000 means comma, like this. Million means comma. Understand? You remember that? 630 million means comma and space. 257,000 means comma and space. 789. So again 630 comma space means million. 630 million 257 comma space for 1000 and 789. So this is very easy to write any number in digits or in figures. Next, value of digit. You can also use place value of digit. So what is the value of 3 in number 489,832,416? Means 489,832,416. So yes, what is the value of 3? So we have numbers. So value of 3 is 10,000? No, it is the place. That place of 3 is 10,000, but the value of 3 is, oh, you don't know. Okay, I am telling you that beta, the value of 6, I am starting from the right side, 6. The place of 6 is ones or unit, but the value of 6 is 6 multiplied by 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. So the value of 6 is in this place is 6. Next, 1. The place of 1 is tens, but the value of 1 is 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. So the value of 1 is 10. Understand? Next, 4. The place of 4 is 100, but the value of 4 is 4 multiplied by 100 is 400. So the value of 4 is 400. Understand, beta? Like 2. What is the value of 2? 2 is in the place of 1000, like 1000. So value of 2 is 2 multiplied by 1, 2000. So the value of 2 is 2000. Now what is the value of 3? Yes, it is the question. What is the value of 3? So the place of 3 is 10,000, but the value of 3 is 3 multiplied by 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is 30,000. Understand? So 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So the value of this 3 is 30,000. Understand, beta? Next, 8. So the place of 8 is 100,000, but the value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 100, 800,000. Okay? 8 multiplied by 100, 100,000, 800,000. Next is 9. The place of 9 is million, but the value of 9 is 9 multiplied by 1, means 9 million. The value of 8 is 10 million, but the place of 8 is 10 million, but the place of 8 is 8 multiplied by 10, 80 million. The place of 4 is 100 million, but the value of 4 is 4 multiplied by 100, 400 million. Understand? So what is the question now? What is the value of 3? So what is the value of 3? The value of 3 is 30,000. The value of 3 is 30,000. Next, expanded form. Our last topic, expanded form. So it is a number and how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. Okay. Yes, it is the answer. The proper way means a long way to write this number in expanded form is like this. You know that if I'm starting with the right side, 6. 6 in which place? 1. So 6 ones are 6. 3 in which place? 10. So 3 multiplied by 10, 30. 1 is in which place? 100. So 1 multiplied by 100, 100. 5 in which place? 1000. So 5 multiplied by 1000, 5000. It is difficult. Yes, but I am telling you a very easy and quick way. So we are starting from the left side. So now I am writing first digit 4. And how many digits after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits after 4. So I am writing 8 zeros in the place of these digits. Understand? First I am writing 4. Like first digit, first I am writing first digit, which is 4. And how many numbers after 4? 8. So I am writing 8 zeros in place of these numbers. Next, plus. Now 4 is done. 4 is done. So next number is 6. So I am writing 6. And how many numbers after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers after 6. So I am writing 7 zeros. Understand? Plus, now 6 is also done. 9. So I am writing 9 first. So how many numbers after 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am writing 6 zeros. Next is 8. These 3 numbers are done. 8. So now 8. And how many numbers after 8? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am writing 5 zeros after 8. Next number is 2. So how many numbers after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing 4 zeros. Understand? Plus 5. Next number is 5. Yes, 5. How many numbers after 5? 3. So I am writing 3 zeros. Next number is 1. So I am writing 1. How many numbers after 1? 2. So I am writing 2 zeros. And second last number is 3. And how many numbers after 3? 1. So I am writing 1 0. And last number is 6. Any number after 6? No. So 6 is single. Understand? This is the way to write the numbers. We have another example. And how to write it? That you start from the left side. Write the first number, which is 2. And how many numbers after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits after 2? 6. So I am writing 6 zeros. Plus 2 is done. Next is 4. So how many digits after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am writing 5 zeros. Yes. Plus 4 is done. 8. How many digits after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am writing 4 zeros. Next number is 9. How many numbers after 9? How many digits after 9? 6, 5, 2 means 3. So I am writing 3 zeros. 9 is also done. Next is 6. How many digits after 6? 2. So I am writing 2 zeros. Next is 5. So how many digits after 5? 1. So I am writing 1 0 plus last number is 2. No one number after 2. So 2 is single. So this is the way to expand the numbers. Yes, beta. Now these are some questions for your practice. Hope you understand all the topics. All the topics are very easy. So these are some practice questions for you as homework. If you have any difficulty or problem, so you can comment down below. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.